Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. I'm just coming on to share with you today. I like sharing. I'm coming on to share with you today all the decisions that I've made for the remaining savings challenges, because remember, I have completed a few. So what's remaining now, I'm just going to try and knock these out by the end of the year. If not, depending on how I feel about them, I may end them before the new year comes in, or I may continue them over to the new year. So let me see what I'm working with today. So that's done. That's all the completed ones that I've done and sorted those out, and I've just listed a few that's left behind. I've got 10 active challenges. I've got the mini money matters, and it's only one challenge left to complete, and that is the fruit one. I wrote that down in pencil to get me going, and that's £25 left. Bearing in mind I'm working with £140 for stuffing. So we've then got the £90 autumn leaves challenge, and I will be putting in 15 in that. So I'll just put that there just so I know what I'm working with. I'm not stuffing today. I just thought I would come and do this because behind the scenes I would do it. So I just want to show you, and it might be able to help somebody. So for the £80 puzzle, it's £2 a piece of puzzle. Therefore I will do one row, which would be £20. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. That's right. And then for the rainy day fund, each welly is £5 and a pair is 10. So I will be doing a pair. So I'll do a pair. I'll just put that there, and that would be £10. Right, and then the roll the dice, that's kind of unpredictable, isn't it? We don't actually know how much that's going to be, but maybe just estimating it for the mini challenge. For the mini challenge, I would put, let's do 15 just for now, and then I'm going to leave out shut the box for a minute, and then bag a book, we will do that at £10. Let's do that, £10, and see what we get from that. And then for the big roller dice, again, that's unpredictable, so I'm not sure what. Let me put £10 and see. Yeah, because it's better that I have less here than more out of the £140, because if I have less, at least I still got wiggle room to play with the £140, if that makes sense. And then we got the small roll the dice. I will say for that, let's do that at £10 as well. As I said, I'm leaving the shut the box out for the minute. And then for my 100 envelopes challenge that I haven't done in ages, I do miss it, I'm going to estimate that at £40, because the highest envelope number is 20, and I normally roll twice for that challenge. So let's just say £40. and then we will have, let's get this done, 25, add 15, add 20, add 35, add 10, 20, 30, add 40. Ooh, see what I mean? That's £165. So somewhere along the line I'm going to have to reduce something. I'm not quite sure what I want to reduce, but what I can do when because these are mainly all the roll the dice ones. We've got, let's see how many roll the dice ones we've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 roll the dice, not counting shut the box, which is 6. Depending on when I roll the dice what it stops at, I'm going to just keep it minimum. So example, if I roll the dice for the mini green challenge and it's less than 15, I will stop there. You see what I mean? Bag a book, if I roll the dice and it's less than £10, I will stop there, and that's how I'm just gonna have to play it, because it's come up to £165. I don't have £165 of stuff. I've got 140. So I'm going to leave it at that now, and then I will come back and I will stuff my envelopes and see how that goes. Well, I hope that helped somebody today, because you know, sometimes you're not quite sure, you've got a certain amount of money to stuff, but you're not quite sure if you can meet the needs of all your envelopes that you really want to stuff. I personally think it's a good idea to try and work things out before you start doing your challenges. Like the Mini Money Matters fruit challenge, that's the last one in the book. What I can do is just minimize it, and I could just stuff for 2 fruits, which is £10 instead of £25, and then yeah, so you can juggle things around like that. Because I know sometimes I've spoken to people that would say, oh, I've only got sort of like, you know, £100, and I'm going to go over my challenges, so it's best if I don't do it today, I'll just leave it. And then they'll go off and spend that money, but yet, you know, you could have easily stuffed that, because every little helps. It really does. I think that's my main point, what I'm trying to say, but I had to go around a long way. I'll get it right. Someday I will. But you get my gist of what I'm trying to say. I'm going to go away and I'm going to get my £140 to stuff, and I will see you back in another video very, very soon. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves, and I will see you back real soon. Bye for now.